Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I'm freehanding it here, so hopefully the movement won't be too much. I'm looking at a couple of Silca Poker automatic manual duplicating machines, and I have two of them here now. I picked up another one the other day and I'm very happy with it. That's this one here. Here's my old girl. I've always had that one. I wouldn't let that one go. And I have a couple of Bianchis over here as well, and they're all great machines. I use them for different purposes. Sometimes I use them all consecutively at once. And I did do a video about, I don't know, 10 years ago where I was cutting 5 keys in 30 seconds using these Silca Pokers. And that was really quick. I could do 5 keys. I keep these around because they do volume key cutting. And I look at the new Silca Poker with the buttons on the top and the shield, and I'm just not happy. I can load this thing up in a couple of seconds and get it moving in a couple of seconds, as where the other ones with the shields over here, they take too long. I know my workshop is a bit of a mess. Let's chuck that away. So these bad boys I would never actually trade, sell, or anything. They're just going to be here. They're going to work until they absolutely collapse. I'll recalibrate them. I'll do whatever I have to keep them moving, because they're workhorses for me. When I do volume key cutting, these are my go-to little boys here. They're cheaper than, they're quicker than the Bianchi 105s, which I have a couple of twins here as well. I like them. Their cutter is a different size. They take more. They do a double cut. They got the shield. You know, I like them anyway. The point of this video is today, what are we doing today? Now, we're going to take a Silca part and we're going to adapt it to a Bianchi machine. So the Silca part is D904615ZR, and we're going to be fitting it to a Bianchi. Now you're probably thinking, where are we going to fit this? Why do we need to do this? Now if you have a look at this key machine, Swarf is absolutely everywhere. See that little modification? This little bent ADI cam with a magnet? Yeah, that's me. Works well. Here's one without it. Sometimes it holds, sometimes it doesn't. So what are we doing today? Okay, so you see these buttons. This machine came out with no covers on the buttons. Exact same buttons as the Silca machine, but no cover. So what do we got here? We got a Silca cover. So let's fit one of them. One-handed. We're almost there. Take off the plastic. Okay, one-handed. Installation video. Push hard. Okay, and we're done. I know what you're thinking. The achievements I've done today are significant, and you're proud of me. I know. Turn on, run. It's got no power on at the moment, but that button's going to protect that swarf, that little tiny swarf like that, getting into that button. So it just means it can be easily cleaned, and there's less chance of that particular button playing up. Now that button has a 240 volt contact in there that goes like that, and when you shove brass and crap in there, it doesn't like it too much. Most of all, your fingers on top. Having a protective cover gives you a distance between the 240 volt and yourself, which is on earth, or it'll actually stop the brass from getting in there, allowing the button to work longer. How cool is that? There's a part number. We're going to have that on our lock shop, and that was as simple as how long it takes to fit it. And if you buy one of these buttons, wait, you can use it on other machines. Unicode. Hello. They use 2 of them. The Bianchi uses 2 of them. The Poker uses 2 of them. And this Poker uses 2 of them. And this Silca doesn't use one, but this one does. And that uses one on the side there too. So it's a pretty cool little thing. This button cover is just something that's, you know, you have to have it if you've got key machines. If you've got a key machine like this, and you don't have that button cover, you need to get one and install it, just like I did. Comments down below. Thanks for watching.